All right, up here we got a mini excavator. This one's diesel, AGT model, cabbed, as you can see. It's a pretty nice size unit. Not exactly sure how big it is, but it's definitely a decent size. So it's new, unused. Let's see if I can keep this glare out. Sorry, this glare is really bad. There we go. All right, it's got the thumb on there as well, and scraper on the front. Spins all the way around. We'll fire it up, and pretty quiet, super nice. I'll show you how it works. Bring the blade up. Bring that towards you. Nice, nice. The other way. Here comes the blade. Right there. Beautiful. Let's go backwards and then forward. All the way around. Got a nice fan in the cab. You can do some serious work with this unit right here. Alright. And then this door shuts, obviously. There it is, right there, ready to do some work. Any questions you have on this rig, you can email in or call. The auction's December 16th. Preview day would be the 15th from 9 to 4. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.